On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Good morning, happy people.
Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve today. I'm sure you're probably watching this on Christmas or later, but we hope you're having an awesome Christmas Eve. I hope you're having an awesome Christmas. We've got a lot of stuff going on today. It'll probably be a little bit longer vlog, but my son and I have to go on, it's not like a daddy-son date. It's like a man time. We're going to go have some man time, and we're going to go get a present for Mommy, right? You want to get a present for Mommy? Yeah, okay. That's what we're going to do. We're going to sneak in town. You can tell them. You can tell them. You can whisper right in the microphone. But
We are gonna bring Mommy a present.
we're going to go do that real quick. Mommy's still sleeping, but I've got the cream corn going. We got a fire going, and I've got some things to cook. But we've got about 2.5 hours to do this. Let's get on the road. All right, we just realized that if we show what Garrett gets, Mommy edits this and she'll find out before Christmas. So we're gonna throw her off track, okay? Let's go to a different store, Garrett, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go to a different store, come on.
Mommy.
All right, here we are. We are at Fred Meyer, and we're trying to find the perfect present for Mommy, okay? Yeah. Did you find anything? No. Let's go to the next store. All right, we're at Pier 1, and there's some really close presents that aren't quite perfect, but pretty close, huh? Yeah? Let's go to the next store. Come on. All right, now we're at Walmart, and I think we got a winner. Don't you? Yeah? Or should we try one more store?
One more.
Okay, let's go one more store. All right, let's go. Come on. Okay, now we're at Ulta, and you think Mommy could like some makeup or something?
Yeah.
Oh, but we just told them. Now we have to pick something else. Let's go to a different store.
Yeah, go.
We're at a top secret store. We can't really tell you where we're at, but we're gonna go get Mommy a present, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day.
Hello everybody, we are on our way to Grandma and Grandpa's house.
Merry Christmas!
It's Christmas Eve. We're gonna open presents. We all draw names, so like all 3 of my kiddos drew names and got 3 other cousins. So that's how we work that, and then I just went a little bit crazier this year and just like bought for everybody. So, but that's okay. It's fun. I found really good deals, so it was frugal. And anyway, we go eat lunch with the whole fam and open lots of presents. And then we have all of our festivities for tonight. Those of you who've been with us for a while, you know what they are. You could leave them in the comments and take a guess, but
It's so fun.
it's pretty fun. All right, so let's go eat all the yummy foods.
Welcome to Christmas Eve at the Somers household. Holy moly. It's gonna get crazy, it's gonna get real, and you need to relax. I do. Calm down. My mom likes to go like overboard, I feel, but it makes her happy to have all this craziness, all this food, presents, family stacked on top of family. This is like my mom's Christmas for the whole family, and then of course we do ours tonight. So let me get back to the food. I hope you guys are having an awesome, amazing Christmas, and you guys are definitely in our thoughts and prayers, and thank you for being along and being a part.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Deck the house with balls and balls. We're gonna sing If You Had Come. But when you came the way you did, in such a simple place, you let us see an awesome God with a sweet and tender face. Jesus, I thank you for coming as a child like me.
So happy that everybody is here, the entire family. I just feel so blessed, and so I just want to thank you all for being here. And this makes this for me, that is makes my Christmas special. So thank you. I love you all.
You're welcome. Oh my! I want that. I want to open it right now.
All the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Look at that.
Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
What are you?
A barman.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, dream I need. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Alright, Secret Santa stuff is done, or whatever, for the kids. They all draw names. So now it's pretty much free for all. We should see paper flying left and right here, and then we'll be wrapping it up.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
All the sisters are open the same thing. All the sisters. What do we get?
Once more, and then time almost came to a stop.
We got extra.
But somehow I know
Hey, no more.
that maybe something new, that everything would change from now on.
Just something that you can open them.
Yes,
Yeah, it's nothing much, but
Christmas, oh, this Christmas,
what? I have mine on. Those two sisters are gonna be gone.
it's gonna be
Practice, practice.
It's not going to move. Yeah, you can play with those.
We're having so much fun here with the family. We're getting ready to actually go play a game, which will be super fun. Yeah. Auntie actually wrapped a whole bunch of presents for us to take home to the kids because I stored them here, so we're getting those right now. Oh wow.
Nice.
There they are. There they are. We're going ahead and doing our white elephant gift exchange. Got this going on. Were you photobombing? What?
Charcoal body scrub.
Oh, nice. 1. Switch gifts to Ray.
Which right?
That's
Oh.
Or steal any gift.
Get the winner, so we don't know what kind of gift card.
It's the mystery of it.
Yeah, do it.
Popcorn!
Wow.
Yeah, that makes sense because I thought.
I love you.
Your eyes.
Not peeking. No peeking eye.
Open your eyes. Christmas jammies that all match.
They match your stockings.
Christmas is officially starting.
Yay!
We are plaided out in our plaid camo.
Yeah!
So now
I can't believe I
we
did it.
are going to go set up our tent. Here we go. All right, I just realized we have not looked for David yet. Do you think he's moved? Do you think he's here?
Yeah!
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
It's almost Christmas, Jesus' birthday. So let's throw him a birthday party. Let's sing him happy birthday and thank him for coming down from heaven to save us from our sins. Happy birthday, Jesus.
Should we sing happy birthday to Jesus?
Yeah. This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalm 118:24. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, eat it?
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah,
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Ready, the tent is set up. We are ready to continue tonight's festivities. Next on the agenda is... We're gonna open the Christmas Eve present.
Can we do it?
Yep, go ahead.
Oh my goodness! I think I know that. Don't step in. Is that chocolate or poop?
This is not our traditional type of a game. Normally it's like an educational type based game. I wanted to go more for the comedic route of
Fun game. The last
don't step in it because it looks like so much fun. Okay, so you blindfold people. You blindfold them and they can't step in the poo-poo. It's not real poo-poo.
It's just rubber.
It's like Play-Doh.
Ew.
You set up a mat.
You said like Play-Doh traps, and you gotta try to not step on them.
So you.
I got 3.
You gotta get through without three. Well, I don't know what you'd call that. What would you call that?
That's a half.
Oh.
3.
Look here.
2. 3.
a very poopy game.
Steps.
Go.
Really big.
Really big. 1, 2.
Don't look.
3, 4, 5.
All right, we are doing our last, final, most important tradition that we do. And we're going to go read Luke 2 from the Bible. And we are all in our jammies, all in the tent. We usually sleep in the tent. We'll see if we can make it the whole night. As far as the grown-ups, the kids usually make it though. So let's go ahead and read Luke 2 and go to sleep because it's been a long day. There went out a decree from Caesar Augustus that all the world should be taxed. Does it mean to be great with child?
Really big belly.
Big belly, that's right. Angel said unto them,
Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy.
praising God and saying, Glory to God in the highest,
and on earth peace, goodwill toward men.
And they came with haste, and the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all the things that they had heard and seen, as it was told unto them. That is the real Christmas story, the real meaning of Christmas. We're gonna have fun tomorrow, but this is what Christmas is all about.
We hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us today during our Christmas Eve festivities, all the great time with family. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
Are you excited for tomorrow?
Yeah! It's gonna be Christmas! It's gonna be Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys! Woohoo!
Christmas.
So I think we're gonna close this one up and get these kiddos off into bed because
Nope, we're staying in here, sleeping in here.
you're sleeping in your tent, but you gotta go to sleep. Okay? All right, let's close this one out.
Thanks for watching! See you in the next video! Bye! YouTube channel! Beep! Merry Christmas!
See you in the morning.